How's it going, everyone? This is Sean here from Scale Model Car Guide channel, and today's video is the video telling everybody it's that time again. Small scale group build. That's right, the small scale group build. This will be like the third, fourth year, I can't remember now, that me and Brian, MR.BG at BG Model Works, right here. If y'all don't know him, he'll be in the link below, the description below. Go subscribe, like, share, but everybody knows MR.BG, Mr. Brian. But all right, before we get this started, I want to thank you, my subscriber. Thumbs up, thumbs down, whatever makes your world go around, guys. Subscribing is free. This channel will never ask you for a dime or anything, guys. Just like, share, and subscribe. Just anybody I mention, or anybody in this community, just go support them. That's all I ask for. All right, like I said, let's get Brian's card back up here. MR.BG, here a few years ago, he asked me if I would like to help him do this group build, and I said yes, I will support you in any way. And here we are. We tag team on this group build, so a lot of people look forward to this group build. I look forward every year because small scale is some of my favorite models of all time. Let me put his shop card back here. And so today's video, we're going to discuss the rules and what you can build and what you can do, and I'll show you some examples in front of you. I'll show you each and every one of them here in a minute or two, but and then I'll go over some, in the boxes or whatever, and let's get it going. All right. So, first of all, rule number 1 has to be a vehicle. It could be a car, it could be a truck, it can be a diesel, anything with wheels. It could be, it could be a tractor, just as long as it's automotive related, just no military, no planes, no ships. You could do a military vehicle, but it has to be civilian. No tracks, nothing like that, guys. We're trying to keep it to automotive. Now, it could be motorcycle, because they do make small scale motorcycle. But like I said, it has to be non-military. It could be a military vehicle. Just make it, like a civilian vehicle. And that's the only rules, guys. The rules is no bigger than, it'd go from anywhere from HO to 132. I think 32 is the biggest we go, and then it goes 25 and 20. Yeah, that'd be it. So anywhere from HO to 187 there, to 164, 48, 32. There's different scales in there, but y'all get the gist. And let me show you some examples here. Like, it could be vintage kit. It could be like this little Airfix Mini Cooper. Let's see. It could be one of these little suckers right here, your little Cadet series from Revell. I think this is like a really off scale, like 1/46, or it's a weird scale, but it could be something like that. Matter of fact, here's another one I got for example here. Let's see, we got our HO scale for sure. This is little Ford moving van. Yeah, something like that. You could do a 148 scale diesel. You can do a 132 scale. We got another vintage kit right here, little fire engine, 132 scale. Let's see. It could be a snap together. It don't matter, guys, just as long as it's in scale. Here's one of these 143 scale. Old Tom last year did this one right here, the what is that, fake out Mustang funny car, and he did it in the no, he did the Camaro. I'm sorry, he didn't do this one. He did the Camaro, I think it was. And I think he did the man, I can't remember right now right offhand, but he did a great job with it. So there were several guys last year or year before last that did this kit right here. That's your Atlantis, and I think a Monogram or whatever Revell was the original people that did it, 132 scale. And then you got a 143 scale Monogram. They got several of these kits right here. I know there's a Mustang, and there's this one. This one might be one of them I build. I might try to build two, but I'm for sure probably going to build this one right here. There's a Aston Martin. That's Pyro kit, vintage kit. Here's another vintage kit. Pyro, 34 Plymouth. Bond Bug by Airfix. And this one I'm going to build for sure. And I'm going to try to build that Cobra. But this one for sure. And old Peter, he gave me this one right here. And I'll have his link in the description below. And I'm going to get this one built. And then there's another Airfix. That's the little beach buggy. So that's a good variety, guys, of just whatever you can build. And like I said, build anything you want. Just, just as long as it's small scale. And in front of you is some past builds and builds that were given to me, like this one right here. Y'all remember John give that to me here for Christmas, these little 143 scale AMT. This is the Firebird. This one's built up very nice. See something like that? Boy, simple, easy to build. Look at that. He also gave me this. And John is from the JB Scale Creations. He will be below too in the description. Check him out. He gave me all these little suckers. Look at this little 67 Camaro right here, done in a rally car. That is sweet. Now the ones in the back right in here I built. Other than that one, my niece built this one. I had to help her, but she built it. This is the AMT Ford Ranchero. You can see there what she's done. That builds up very nice. I did this little bad boy years ago for, I think it was the Alwood Appreciation. The decals are yellowing on it. I mean, it was a super quick build for me. I even wired the engine up. Why? Because I can. Look at that. Look at this guy right here. Look at them googie eyes. I'm not no Gavin Booth, or Justin at the miniature painter, but hey, I can hold my own. This one right here is the Airfix. This was well, actually I think this one was the MPC, but it's still the Airfix. It's the same kit. Is the Jaguar, however they want to say it, Jag. I've had so many people tell me how to spell it. I don't care. I'm a redneck. It is what it is. And look at that guy in there. Boy, you can't hardly see through that glass, but man, look at him. I think I did pretty good. And I even think, yeah, I wired that engine up too, guys. Look at that. See, you can put as much detail into these as you want. You don't have to put any detail. It's all up to you, guys. All up to you. Set this one aside. And this one right here was given to me, and I built it. This was given to me from my home Squatch Skinner skillet, old Mr. Doug Hensley. And so I built it one year. I cut the bonnet open, the hood open, and I resin cast an engine. As you can see there, I fabricated everything underneath there I even wired the battery, wired the engine. Look at that. You can put as much detail into these little kits as you want, or you don't have to. It don't matter. It's all for fun. The only rule is small scale, no military, and it's got to be done by February 28th. It starts February 1st to February 28th. The smallest scale for the smallest month, guys. Like I said, I want to thank BG for letting me host this with him. And those are the rules. Those are some suggestions. You don't need to do my suggestions. You do whatever you want. And those were some past builds. So, all right, guys. Happy New Year's. Hope this new year is going to be great for everybody. We love you. And hope to see as many people join as they can. And if you do not do YouTube, if you only do Facebook or whatever, you can email me. My email is always in the description below. Send me pictures of what you're going to build, and send me pictures of the final, and I will gather all those up and I will post those. All right, guys. Love you. Bye. Please come join us. I'm out.